All right, so who could tell me I don't care what step. If you could tell me the first step, I'm going to applaud you. And the picture should help you a little. Observe. Good job. Observe, and then sometimes you ask a question, right? You're like, oh, I wonder if, right? And then that leads to what? The second step, which everybody, good job. Research or gather information or use information you already have so that you can create a what? A hypothesis. So after we create an if-then amazing statement of what we believe is going to happen, what happens next? We test it. Good job. See how we know this? And then after we test?
You record your data.
Awesome. And then?
You
conclude it. Always, always, always. This is a test question. Whenever I talk really loud in the video, it's a test question. You always end with a conclusion no matter what happens in your experiment, because you have to explain what happened in order to decide where you're going next. I just answered notes, I introduce, and then we go over a little bit more details. So we know the step one is to what? Question and observation. So you're going to see something, hear something, smell something, and you're going to think, I wonder if. That's how you start the scientific method. You always pick up on something that you want to kind of explore or examine or check. And then, obviously, you're going to find out things, because why are you going to waste your time trying to perform an experiment or create an experiment that somebody's already done? Okay, so you find out information so that you can take it maybe to the next level. So senses, as in hear, see, smell, right? Those are your senses. All right, so once we thought of something, we did our research, we move on to step 3, which is what? Hypothesis. And a hypothesis is always in the form of what? No. So right now in your notes, remind yourself, a hypothesis is not a question. We already thought of a question. A hypothesis is a statement that's predicting what's going to happen. So it's a statement that you believe this is going to happen. And you always are going to write it with an if, then. If I do this, then this will happen.